Well, welcome back, Genos. We will be with the end of Genos combo. Yes, I did get help from like quite hungry in this, and we did this. Let's try it again. Come on. But, he died for you. There you go. Next time I'll do like a strong gameplay video. So here's it again. This is just a weird one-shot Genos combo. This one's not too bad if you get good at the back. So 1, 2, oh, the next. No, wait. So here's how that's works. So, so 1, 2, 3. At the third one, you slide down immediately, and then you back after that. It's so here. Yeah, see how I slide that after the third one? So yeah, here's the backflip. So 1, 2, bam. You can do it with multiple characters. You can take they can flip the finger. But things like that, it's good. You can hopefully the thing about it is like a good one. So hope you enjoyed this Genos combo and kind of a backflip tutorial. See you in the next one. And yes, I do use this. This is the software I use now.